Hi everyone, I Shurajit welcome you all on Economatrix Dey channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 7 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Today, class 7 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 5, Powers and Exponents. And today we are going to continue with solving exercise 5.2. And today's part is part 3. Those who have not watched the previous parts, I have shared the link at the end of the video. So do watch those parts and then watch this part, that is part 3. Then what will happen? You will understand the concept nicely and it will be helpful for you to solve the sums easily. Now, till our previous class, we solved question number 3. Now we will solve question number 4. Simplify the following and express as a single power. So you have to simplify and you have to show the answer as a single power. But before that, let us know one time the laws. What? Laws of exponents. We have studied the laws. Okay. So what are the laws of exponents? So first law is what? Or I can write here number 1. X to the power a. Okay. X to the power a into x to the power b equal to x to the power a plus b. That means already I told you the base, if they are same, then the powers will be added, and if it will be added when there will be multiplication sign. Then the second one, number 2, x to the power a divided by x to the power b. Now see here, division sign. When it is division sign and the bases are same, then we will write the base one time and the powers will be what? Subtracted. Then third law is what? X to the power a, okay, again to the power b, then what it will happen? Now x to the power a b. That means the powers will be multiplied. Now today we will understand another new law. Okay, what is that one? X to the power a. I wrote x to the power a. Okay, multiplied by y to the power a. Now see nicely. Here I wrote x to the power a multiplied with y to the power a. Here the base are not same. Multiplication is there. But what is same? The powers are same. So that time what I will do, I will write x into y and the power I will write together in one bracket and we will write to the power a. Okay. Same way, if I take this one as division sign, x to the power a divided by y to the power a. Here base are not same but the powers are same. Then what will happen? X divided by y and then the power together we will write outside. Okay. And the last but not the least, x to the power 0. If anything is to the power 0, then this is equal to 1. Okay. So these things, these laws you need to solve these sums. Okay. Now let us come here. How we will solve this one? Equal to, when you start this sum, this is the first step only. Now here base are not same but the powers are same. So what I told you, 2 into 3 and we will write the power outside, the exponent. Okay. And then 2 into 3, 6 to the power 4. And this is the answer. Clear now? Now here, see, here base are not same but the powers are same. So what I will write? 3 divided by 7 and then outside to the power minus 6. Now 3 divided by 7 I can write what? 3 by 7 to the power minus 6. Now here one more thing is very important. You can write this answer like this only, minus 6, okay, to the power minus 6. but always we try to give the answer with the power as positive. Okay, so if I want to make this power positive, that means 6 plus 6, then what will happen? What is inside the bracket, that will become ulta. Okay, उल्टा हो जाएगा. 3/7 है तो क्या हो जाएगा? 7/3. तो 7/3, and this is the answer. Okay, clear? Now let us do number C. Okay, so here you can see the powers are same but the bases are not same, so we will put a bracket and the power will be outside, and minus 2/5 into 3/4. Now you can cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what you get? Minus 3/10, and then here minus 3. Now I told you we have to we will try to make the power as positive. The positive, if I want to make it 3, then what will happen? This will become ulta. So what I will do? 10 will go up and then minus 3 will come down. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, so we got the answer. Now see, this is the answer given in your book only. Okay, so 10 by minus 3. But when I was teaching in our previous class, or if I want to do it here only, okay, so minus 3/10 to the power minus 3. So what I told you, that if you want to make this power positive, then don't touch this minus and only change the number. 3/10, 10/3. So 10/3. So if you write the answer like this also, it is 100% right. And if you write the answer like this, how it is given in your book, that is also right. Okay, 10 by minus 3 to the power 3 and minus 10/3 to the power 3, same only. Clear? Now let us come to the next sum, number D. A to the power 3 divided by B to the power 3. Bases are not same, but the powers or exponents are same. So we will use which one? See here, the bases are not same, but the powers are same. So what I will write? A divided by B, and then outside 3. And this one I can write A by B. A divided by B means A by B, and then here, and this is the answer. Clear? Now this one, you can see here power, nothing means 1. Here power is 4. So powers are not same. Bases are also not same. Then what to do? Now see nicely, I will write 1/2 multiplied with, now you see 1/4 it is written. Can I make this one? 2. And then can I make it to the power 2, and then again to the power 4. Okay, this to the power 4 is there. Okay, but this one, see, 1 I can write 1 square, 4 I can write 2 square. See nicely, understand, 1 I can write 1 square and 4 I can write 2 square. So this one means what? This is also square. So I can write 1/2 and then to the power 2. And again outside what it is there? It is 4 is there. Now 1/2 into, then I will write 1/2 and power will be multiplied. So what it will become? 2 into 4, 8. Now see, the bases are same. So if bases are same, this 1/2 means 1/2 to the power 1. Nothing means the power is 1. So I will write 1 time 1/2 and the powers will be added, 1 plus 8. So what it will become? 1/2 and it will become to the power 9, and that is the answer. Clear? Now let us come to this sum, number F. See here, the bases are not same but the powers are same. So what I will write? X into Y, and this A will come out. Okay, in the power will be outside. 1 time only we will write, and then this one I can write X dot Y or X into Y, and then to the power A. Clear? Now number G, 3 to the power 0. See, anything to the power 0 is 1. So what I will write? 1 into 1 So 1 into 1, if you put the bracket also no problem, is 1 only, and this is the answer. Here this one is the answer. Now let us come to number H. See, the base are same. So one time we will write, and the powers, what will happen? Here division sign is there. If divide means what? It will be subtracted. Clear no? See here, this one. Got my point or no? X to the power A divided by x to the power B. Clear no? So here the bases are same. So x to the power A minus B. So the powers will be subtracted. And this is the answer. Clear? Now, after that here the powers exponents are same, but the base are not same. So one time I will write the exponent, and 4 into 7. So what it becomes? 28 to the power 3. Clear? Now J what I will write? See here, 1 by 2, then here power is to the power minus 2, and here 3 to the power 0 to the power again 5. Okay, now this is minus, negative. If I want to make it positive, so this will become ulta. So 2 by 1 to the power 2 into anything to the power 0 means what? 1, and then can I make it to the power 5? So here downside no need of writing, only we can write 2 to the power 2, and 1 to the power 5 means 1 only. So ultimately what it comes? 2 to the power 2, and this is the answer. I hope sum number 4 you have understood nicely. Now let us come to question number 5. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So we have to express it in what form? Exponential form. That means in the power. Okay, we have to show the answer with powers. Okay, so first sum is like this one. Okay, something divided by again something, and downside and upside there is multiplication sign. So what we will do, we will draw one line. Now 2 to the power 3 and then to the power 6. So here power ऊपर में फिर पावर है, तो पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. 3 into 6 18 into now 9 to the power 3. So 9 what I can write? 9 I can write 3 square. See, 9 means what? 9 means 3 into 3, and that means 3 square. So 9 को मैं 3 square लिख सकता हूँ. उसके बाद फिर इधर में to the power 3 is there. Okay, so उसको लिख देंगे. अभी 4 को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? 2 square, and then again this square is there. So this also we will write. Now 27. 27 means what I can write? 3 and cube. Okay, 3 cube, because 27 is what? 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So 3 cube लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. अभी इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? Draw this line we will draw, and then 2 to the power 18 into 3 to the power ऊपर से पावर, so पावर के ऊपर पावर, तो ये दोनों पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. So 2 into 3 6. ठीक है. उसके बाद ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 2 4, 2 to the power 4, और ये 3 to the power 3 as it is. Clear? Now the last step. See here, ऊपर में 2 to the power 18, that means 18 2s are there, और नीचे में 2 to the power 4, that means how many 2s are there? 4 2s are there. तो ये डिवाइड साइन है, तो डिवाइड होने से क्या होता है? Powers will be subtracted. So subtracted means 2 to the power 18 minus 4, that means 14. So that one we will not write, we will do directly. How? ये 2 to the power 4 छोटा है, इसको पूरा काटेंगे. ठीक है, काट लिया, और इधर से 18 से 4 अगर चला गया तो 14 रहेगा, तो सिर्फ ये 18 को काटेंगे और इसको 14 बना देंगे. समझ में आया? तो क्या पड़ा है? 2 to the power 14. क्लियर? इनटू ये भी वैसा करके, सी हियर डिवाइड साइन इज देयर, दैट मीन्स द पावर्स विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. सो 6 minus 3, दैट मीन्स 3. वैसा हम लोग नहीं करेंगे, डायरेक्टली करेंगे. 3 to the power 3 को पूरा काटेंगे क्योंकि ये छोटा है, और इधर में 6 को काट कर 3 बना देंगे. ठीक है, ये इससे काट रहा है, तो 3 तो चला गया, तो कितना तो लेफ्ट है? हाउ मेनी आर लेफ्ट? 3 out of 6, 3 gone, then 3 left. So what I will write here? 3 to the power 3, and this is the answer. This is the most important step, how to cut. Clear? Now number B. So this is the sum. So here 35, we cannot do anything. You can write 5 into 7, 35, 5 7 the 35, and then into 7 to the power 3. You write 7 to the power 3 only. Okay. Now 5 square, you can write 5 into 5. Okay. Or 5 square also you can keep it, no problem. Now 343 means what? This is also 7 cube. Clear? 343, I told you, 7 4s are 28, 6 carry, 7 9s are. Again 7 7s are 49, again 7 1. So how many 7s are there? 7 cube, 7 to the power 3. तो ये दोनों कट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. और इधर से 5 5 कट हो गया, तो क्या पड़ा है? 7 by 5. Okay, nothing. Okay, you can write the answer like this also. Okay, 7 by 5, but they told in exponential form. Okay, so better to put a bracket, and nothing left means 1 is there. Clear? Now let us come to question number 5C. So a big sum is there, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 6 divided by 12 to the power 2 whole to the power 0 again to the power 3. But we will do this one in a simple way. See, here to the power 0, then this whole thing will become what? 1 only. And then like this way bracket, and then we can write 3. And 1 to the power 3 means what? 1 only. And this is the answer. If you write 1 to the power 3 also is same only. Okay. Now this one. Now 13 to the power 3, we will write same only. 7 to the power 0, we can write what? Anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay, is what? How much? 1. Now this one, what we will do? See, here 65 into 49, and then we'll put a bracket, and then power is 2. Again, outside is what? To the power 1. So power will multiply. 2 into 1, 2. Now after that, top side into 1 means 13 to the power 3 only. Now downside, if I open the bracket, then this power will sit on top of 65 also and on top of 49 also. Okay. So 49 square, 65 square. Now what I will do? I will write 13 to the power 3. Nothing I will do, top one. Okay. Now 65, what I can write? 5 into 13. Okay. And then to the power 2 into 49, can I write 7 square, and then again power 2. Now after that, see here 13 cube as it is, and this one if I open the bracket, so what it will be? 5 square into 13 square into, now 7, if I open the bracket, 2 into 2 will be what? 7 to the power 4. Now on top 13 3 ठो है, नीचे में 13 2 ठो है. सो दो ठो कट हो जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? इसको पूरा काटेंगे और इसको 3 काट देंगे और 1 रहेगा. सो 13 to the power 1 we don't write, we will write only 13, and then downside 5 square into 7 to the power 4, and this is the answer. Clear? So I hope question number 5 A, B, C, D you have understood nicely. Now students, those who are new in my channel, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends, classmates and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you. And also don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now we will move on to the next question. Now let us come to question number 6. Evaluate the following. Evaluate means you have to find out the value. This one or another sum is there. So when we will do these types of sums, these sums only the teacher, your class teacher, your maths teacher will give set questions. Okay, like this sums only he or she will give you in the exam. So these sums we can do in different ways. Means we can use long steps also, small steps also. So what I feel how to do this sum more easily, that I am going to do. Okay, so now I will draw one line. Now here 12 by 13 to the power 5, 12 by 13 to the power 3. Now here power is 5, here power is 3, and there is division sign. Okay, that means the powers I can cut. Okay, so 12 by 13 to the power 3 is what? Less. So I will cut this one whole, and here the power 5 I will cut and make it 2. So what is left? 12 by 13 to the power 2. Clear no? Into. Now here minus 1 by 3 to the power 6, and downside 1 by 81. So 1 by 81, can I write 1 by 3 to the power 4? Why 3 to the power 4? Because 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. So that means 3 to the power 4 is 81. So I wrote 1 by 3 to the power 4. And then here, see here, this one is minus. So minus is there. So what I will do, I will put one bracket and write minus outside, and then inside the bracket I will write 1 by 3, and then I will close the bracket and write 6. Clear? So now what will happen here? Now if I open the bracket, then what will happen? See, 12 by 13, this is as it is, multiplied by minus, and the power is even number. So minus, if I open the bracket, minus will become plus only, and this will become 1 by 3 to the power 6. And downside is what? 1 by 3 to the power 4. Now I can cut this one and this one, this becomes what? By 3 to the power 2. Okay. Now after this, what I can do? Now here downside nothing, so only top side. Can I write 12 by 13, okay, to the power 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 to the power 2. Now if you see nicely this one, if you see this portion nicely, the powers are same but the base is not same. So only one time I will write the power, and 12 by 13 multiplied with what? 1 by 3. Okay. Now what will happen? Now here 12 and 3 you can cut, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So what you get? 4 by 13, and then outside square. Now 4 square is what? 16, 13 square is 169, and this is the answer. Clear? Very simple one. Okay. And if you think that no, I will not do like this way, I will break everything like that, also you can do. Okay. Now this one, what I will do, I will first draw one line. Okay. After drawing the line, if you see nicely that here 11 cube and here 121. So 11 cube you keep it, and 121 you can make it 11 square. Okay. Now this one, we can do this thing in different ways we can do. Okay. Like just now I told you, we will put one bracket and then minus we will separate, and then we will write 14 and then put the bracket like this way and 4 here. Okay. Into 11 cube into 6, we will keep it 6 only. Okay. Now 7 cube. Okay. So let us keep 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. All 7 into 7 into 7. I am breaking it. Okay. Now after that, here 12 square, I am breaking it into 12 into 12. Okay. 2 times, and then 121 means 11 square. Then what happens? 11 square and this cube cancels, so 1 is there. Clear no? Now here, if I open the bracket, it becomes what? 14 to the power 4. So 14 to the power 4 it becomes. Okay, because minus to the power 4 will be positive only. Then here what is left? 11 is left. Then here 6, and downside 7 into 7 into 7 into 12 into 12. Now you can cut 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now anything else you can cut? No. Now after this we can cut. We can cut it more. Okay. That's why I wrote. Let me rub this part. This was the rough portion. So 14 to the power 4, can I write 14 into 14 into 14 into 14? And then what is left? 11 is left. Now downside 7 into 7 into 7 into 12 into 2. Okay. 7 2s are 14, again 7, 2s are 14, again 7, 2s are 14, clear no? Now this 2 cuts with 1, 2, clear no? Now again here it is 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, again 2 3s are 6, and here 1 2 cuts, clear no? Now anything else is there which I can cut? No. So what is left on top? 2 are 7, 14, 2 into 7, 14 into 11 by 3. Now if you multiply 14 and 11, what will come? 14 and 11. So 14, again 14. So what it comes? 154 by 3. And that is the answer. Clear no? If you cannot do, you do the multiplication here, 14 into 11. So 14, again 14. So 4, 5, so 154. And this is the answer. I hope you have understood sum number 6, A and B. Now let us come to question number 6, C. So this is the sum. So how we will do? We will first put equal to sign and then draw one line. Now here power, on top of it again power. So power will multiply 3 into 3, 9, 5 to the power 9 into. Now if I open this bracket, I can multiply also. 2 into 5, 10, 10 to the power 3. But I will open the bracket, then what will become? 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. And this one 2 to the power 4. Okay. So many ways are there. I am telling you again that 2 into 5, 10, 10 to the power 3 also you can write. But I am thinking that to write 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 is easy for me. Okay. So now 5 to the power 7 into, now 2 to the power 2, again to the power 2, so power will multiply, so 2 to the power 4, and then 5 to the power 8. Now see 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 will cancel, so it cancels, clear. Now here 5 to the power 9 and 5 to the power 8, so we will cancel it, this one will cancel with this 9 and it will become 1, clear no? Now let us see, we can cancel anything else or no? Yes, we can cancel. See 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 7. So if I cancel 5 to the power 3, from 7, 3 gone means 4 left. Now let us write 5 to the power 1. That means 5 only. Or you can write 1 also into 2 to the power 3. Clear? And this one 5 to the power 4. Okay? And nothing else left. Here nothing. Now you can cancel 5 to the power 1 and cancel this one. It becomes 3. So what is left? 2 to the power 3 and below 5 to the power 3. Now 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, that means how much? 8. And 5 to the power 3 means what? 5 into 5 into 5. That means 125. And this is the answer. Clear no? You can write from this step directly, you can write here. 2 to the power 3 means what? 8. 5 to the power 3 means 125. 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125, and 8 by 125 is the answer. Now let us come to question number D. So this is the sum. So you can see to the power 0, that means 1 into, again 12 to the power 0 means 1, into 17 to the power 0 means what? 1, again 57 to the power 0 means what? 1, plus, then bracket 45 to the power 0 means 1, into 13 to the power 0 means what? 1. So what you get? 1 into 1 into 1, 1. Then here 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. So 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let us come to question number 7. Find the value of x in the following. Okay. You have to find out the value of x. And this is the most important sum. Your teacher, your maths teacher in the school will give you this sum. Okay. Out of this 4, any one he or she will give you. Okay. So what is this one? 25 by 625 equal to 1 by 5 to the power x. I have to find out this value of x is how much. So how to do it? Now 25 means I can write 5, okay, into 5. 5 into 5 means 25. And 625 means what? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. And this one 1 by 5 to the power x. Now you will be thinking, sir, how you got this one? 5 into 5 into 5. You do just factors you find out. Okay, 625, see 5. So it becomes what? 125. Again 5, so 25. Again 5, 5. Again 5, 1. So 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, now you can cancel 5, 5, 5, 5. Clear? No? So what you get here? 1, and downside is what? 5 into 5 means 5 square equal to 1 by 5 to the power x. Okay, so here implies sign you will give. Okay, now after that 1 by 5 and whole to the power 2. Here 1 written, 1 means what? 1, I can write 1 square, and downside 5 square. So 1 by 5, can I write square like this way? Clear? No? So 1 by 5 square is equal to 1 by 5 and to the power x. We have to bring, for these type of sums, the base I have to bring same. So you can see here the base is 1 by 5 and this side base is 25 by 60, 625. So 1 by 5, but this side is different. I have to make this side also 1 by 5. Now see here the bases are same. If bases are same, both of them disappears. Okay, so what is left? 2 equal to x. Okay, then you can turn it and write x is equal to 2, and this is the answer. It disappears. Disappears means you used to play in the mobile games, na? Some balls are falling, okay, red color, so one line will come, when it will become, all will become red, then it will disappear. So like that only, if the basis comes here same 1 by 5 to the power 2 equal to 1 by 5 to the power x, then this 1 by 5 disappears, and what is left? 2 is equal to x. That means x is equal to 2. This is the answer. Clear? Now let us come to sum number b. B, this is the sum. If you see nicely, 81, can I write 81 by 1? I can write. Now you can see 81, 81 cancels. Okay, so what is left? 3 to the power x by 3 to the power 2x, and this side only 1 is left. Clear? Now here 1 means 1 by 1 we can write. We can do cross multiply like this way. So 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power x. Can I write? 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3, this one and this one multiplying, this one and this one multiplying. Now what I can do? 3 disappears, so 2x is equal to x. So 2x, if this one comes on this side, minus x is equal to 0. So 2x minus x is what? X. X is equal to 0. Answer. Clear? Now let us come to question number 7. Find the value of x. So we have to find out the value of x. So you can see here divide sign is there. So first of all we have to make both the sides the bases same. So here divide sign is there. So I will write one time, and 2x minus x, this will be subtracted. Okay, and here 64. 64, can I write? 4 to the power 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now 4, now 2x minus x, x equal to 4 to the power 3. Now you can see the bases are same, it will disappear. So x is equal to 3, and this is the answer. Clear? Now number D. If I open this bracket, then power will multiply. 2 to the power 2x into 3, 6x equal to 64. Can I write again 4 to the power 3? No. Here we will not write 4 to the power 3. Here it is 2 is here. Na? So what we will write here? We will do LCM 2. Understanding or no? 32. Correct? Now 2, 16, again 2, 8, again 2, 4, again 2, 2, again 2, 1. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the power 6. Clear? We did here 4 to the power 3. Why? Because this side the base was 4. But this side the base is 2. So I have to bring 2 to the power 6. It depends upon you. How you will make it same, the base. Okay. Now 2 disappears. So 6x is equal to 6. So x will be what? See, into. So into will become divide. 6 will come down. 6 ones are 6 ones are. So what you get? X is equal to 1. And this is the answer. Clear? Now, the last question of this exercise 5.2, question number 8. If a by b equal to minus 7 by 9 to the power 8 divided by minus 7 by 9 to the power 6, find the value of a by b square. Okay, so let us do the answer. First I will write a by b and then we will put the power 2. Now a by b means this one, so I will write this one. So what I will do, I will take one extra bracket and then I will write this one. Minus 7 by 9 to the power 8 divided by minus 7 by 9 to the power 6 and then the curly bracket and then this square. Okay, now if you see nicely, this square will be here. See, the bases are same but division sign, so the powers will be subtracted. So minus 7 by 9 and the powers will be 8 minus 6. Okay, directly also you can do it. Okay, no problem. Now here what comes? Minus 7 by 9 to the power 2 and then again to the power 2. Clear? Now if I do it here so that you can understand more nicely. So equal to, now you see here power will be multiplied. So minus 7 by 9, 2 into 2 becomes 4. Clear? No? Now we know if the power is positive, okay, and if it is an even number, then if inside is negative also, it will be positive. That means if the power is an even number, positive even number, and if inside it is negative, then when we open the bracket, it will be always positive. So it will be positive. Now 7 to the power 4, again this one downside is 9. Okay, 7 by 9 to the power 4. That means 7 will be multiplied 4 times and 9 will be multiplied also 4 times. So 7 sevens are 49. Again 7 sevens are 49. So 49 into 49 you multiply. So 9 nines are 81, 8. 9 fours are 36 plus 8, 44. Again cross. 4 nines are 36, 3. 4 fours are 16 plus 3, 19. So 1 and here 10, 1, 10, 14, 1, 2. So what you get? 2, 4, 0, 1. Downside. Again 9 also 4 times. So 9 nines are 81. So you are getting 81. Again 9 nines are 81. And then you multiply. So 1, 8. Again here 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are 64. So 1, 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry 5 and then this one. So what you get? 6, 5, 6, 1. And this is the answer. So I hope exercise 5.2 sum number 8 you have understood nicely. And sum number 8 is also important. Okay. 7 and 8 is very important. Okay. 7 and 8. And 5 and 6 is also important. 5 and 6 questions can come in the exam for small marks. Okay. 1 mark or 2 marks. But this one will come 7 and 8 for 3 marks it can come. Okay. So practice these sums nicely. All the sums of exercise 5.2 is been done. Now it is your duty to practice nicely again and again. Don't practice only for one time. Okay. And then keep it. And then before the exam you are practicing one time and going to the examination hall to give the exam. No. Like that way if you give the exam, you cannot score good marks. So you have to practice each and every day. Okay. Every day little you have to practice. So students, video अगर अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।